trying to blow the leaves around. And I don't know if you notice, but I'm missing a wheel off my mower. Gotta fix that now. Right now I've taken a grinder and cleaned that off as best I can, and you can see there's like a jagged there, so gotta fix that. So let's go into my well-organized garage. Watch your step. Lots of stuff in here. Yep, lots of things in here. This setup, I pounded it out with my mason's hammer, and now I gotta grind this clean and make sure it's ready to roll. Okay, not the cleanest welding job, but it did the job. So I even welded underneath, put a bead in underneath this piece too. Well, just look at that. See, the RV pieces come in handy for more than just the RV. This is a leftover piece from the skirt I redid. The Allegro over there. And I'm going to be shaping this to work on the mower. And there we go, all fixed up. Woo. Another successful project.